What's going on, everyone? I'm Brian, this is Ryan, and today we're going to tell you everything you need to know about our UV DTF transfers. So first things first, we don't actually call them UV DTF transfers, do we?
No, we do not.
What do we call them?
We call them our UV DTF 3D perma stickers. It is a little bit of a mouthful, but it's just really our branding for the product. It's still digitally printed very similarly to our standard DTF that you see here for apparel, but these are designed specifically for hard goods. No machinery required whatsoever. It is a simple peel and stick application, and it works on really any rigid, non-porous surface. We've got glass, metal, plastic, ceramic, even a nice treated wood.
Right.
Really anything that you can get your hands on that is going to be this kind of rigid, smooth surface. Make sure it's fully clean, and you can apply these peel and stick to pretty much anything.
Mm-hmm. It is just a transfer for hard goods, essentially.
Exactly.
No heat required, and they come on this really nice clear backing, as you can see there. So like unlike a normal just any-day vinyl sticker, these don't actually require a background. You can see there's kind of like the negative space in there between the letters, and it also has that epoxy-like coating on it that gives it that nice shine that just makes it stand out when it's in the light, and it also protects it from UV rays. It's waterproof.
Mm-hmm.
We do recommend hand washing. We should say that right off the bat. We do recommend hand washing. Dishwashing can be a little dicey, but hand washing, we've found that it works perfectly. As long as you just run underwater, use a sponge and soap, you should be fine. It's not gonna bubble or start peeling off or anything like that. We call them perma stickers for a reason.
Yeah, permanent sticker. It's right there in the name.
Yeah.
And of course the 3D portion of it does come from that epoxy-like coating as well. Gives it a really nice kind of professional finish to it,
right,
with that gloss, with that little bit of texture, and it really is designed to be a permanent decoration solution. So instead of doing sublimation or things like that, you're able to just peel and stick these right on. Super easy process. I would say just as easy, if not even a little bit easier, than doing the DTF transfers for the apparel, which are super easy as well.
We package these in every single UV DTF order to make it even easier. But I think the easiest way to explain it is like we explained with DTF transfers. Once you apply it correctly, it kind of feels like it's part of the shirt. That's kind of the same thing with this. It kind of feels like it's part of whatever, whether it's a bottle like this, a mug, or a cup. Like it feels like it was actually just designed onto it. It doesn't feel like someone just stuck a sticker on something. You know what I mean? So why don't we start applying these?
Let's do it.
Let's show the people how to do it.
Let's get into it.
All right, you wanna pick one? You wanna do one of the big ones?
Yeah, I'll do one of the big ones, no problem.
I'll do one of these little mini transfers, guys. It's a tight cut, right?
It is a tight cut, dude, but I've got the fine motor skills to get the job done.
You do. There's one thing I know about you, so you have fine motor skills. Never doubted you on that.
Whoa. Easy as that. Just peel that right off. And then go ahead and apply that. There we go. Easy. Stick that right on there. And then just give it a little squeegee. Make sure everything's on there nice and tight. If you don't have a squeegee on hand, even just your hand or a credit card, ID, whatever works. You just go and give that a peel. And there you have it. It's on there, no problem whatsoever.
You may look
no air bubbles. Yeah, I mean, this is just what I do, dude. Everything just kind of comes a little.
You're a natural.
I mean, what can I say, dude? It does give that a little more of a professional looking finish. It's not just a vinyl sticker you're sticking on a water bottle or a laptop that isn't really meant to stick around. This is great for, branding mugs, tumblers, drinkware. We've seen people put these on pretty much anything you can think of, as long as it's got that rigid, smooth, not porous surface right here. Look at that, dude.
Look at that, dude. That was way easier than I thought.
Easy. Easy. 2 buffoons just did it, so why can't you, is the question I always ask.
That's the question everyone should ask themselves. Is there anything else you want to add to this, Ryan? I feel like we explained it.
I feel like we've broken it down, but yeah, just reiterate one more time. Perma stickers, perfect for hard goods, really anything. It gives you that professional finish, nice 3D texture, and a nice shine to it as well. So anything you're looking to do, we've got no minimums. You could do one as a gift. You could do full runs. You can really do anything. Put this on any kind of surface.
Any kind of surface. And if you guys have any other questions regarding our UV DTF 3D perma stickers or DTF transfers, really anything, life advice,
always happy to hop
I
on.
wouldn't mind doing some light
And talk shop.
Yeah, I wouldn't shy away from it, I'll tell you that. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, send to a friend, and we'll see you next time.